We are going to generate our research proposal with citations and references using ChatGPT. These citations will then be tested, and you will be blown. Don't waste time searching for months over the internet for citations. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create your research proposal with citations. This is the research proposal I generated. This is part 2 of our series of videos on finishing our research thesis in 3 months, which would have taken us a full year. As you can see, this is my research proposal related to the topic we chose in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1, please do. In part 1, I talked about how to use ChatGPT to prepare for your research journey, generating timelines and creating a job checker to help you track your research progress. In this one, we are continuing from part 1, and we are going to now develop our research proposal. We are going to generate citations as well, using AI. As I have always told you, when it comes to ChatGPT, you can get the best of it when you break down your problem into small chunks and not feed it all at once into the AI. Also, we are going to split our research proposal into parts, and at the end, we shall combine everything into one using Microsoft Word. This will be our final document, and as you can see, it is detailed with citations. Everything you see here was automatically generated using AI. Further in the next videos, I will show you how you can paraphrase this to hide it from AI detectors. Keep following this series of videos. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can also invite friends. Now, let us get started. Go to ChatGPT if you don't have an account. I have a video on how to open an account in ChatGPT. Now, type the following command. This is my research topic for the final year Masters in Public Health School project. I want you to rewrite it in the best way possible, assessing vaccination rates and identifying key barriers to immunization in rural Uganda communities. As you can see, this is our research topic generated for us. We are going to take this for our research. We chose this in part 1 of this video during the research preparation phase. Now we are going to continue to the next step. Let us copy the title, and we are going to use it to generate references. This can only be done with ChatGPT Pro, but I will show you how to generate references without ChatGPT Pro. So, type the following command. Now, you are going to browse the internet and give me all the references you're going to find about the topic. Evaluation of immunization, coverage and exploration of principal obstacles to vaccination in rural communities of Uganda. Create as many as you can. I want to visit those references and read about them to come up with my literature review. As you can see, our reference articles are being generated. You can click on each one of them and visit the links. You will see that these are valid links. You can ask it to give you more references, and it will continue searching. When you feel contented with the references, then you can stop. As you can see, these are all the references we have come up with. If you want more references, or if you don't have ChatGPT Pro, we can get more references using another AI tool. Go to Google Search and search for Semantic Scholar. Click on semanticscholar.org and visit the website. You can create an account if you don't have one already. Now, after logging in, you can go to the search page and paste in your title that you copied. After that, click Search. Sometimes the search results may yield nothing if your research topic is so big. In this case, just remove the irrelevant parts in your title and remain with the relevant ones. As you can see, now we have our results. These are all articles related to our research topic. You can copy these one by one and save them somewhere. Now, we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate for us the literature review using the references it generated for us and the ones we have gotten from Semantic Scholar. Type the following command into ChatGPT. Using the above references and the ones I have given you below, generate a detailed literature review document about the topic I have presented above. Use the citations and references naturally in the document. These are the rest of the links to the citations. Now add the rest of the citations that you got from Semantic Scholar. As you can see, our literature review is being generated by ChatGPT. All our references are being used. These references are directly in line with our research topic. This is our literature review. As we said, we are generating our research proposal bit by bit, and then we shall combine everything at the end. The literature review has citations as well to our relevant articles. Let us proceed to create our proposal. We are going to ask ChatGPT to create for us the different parts that we are going to be feeding back into it as we generate our proposal. Type the following command into ChatGPT. Now, using all the data available, we are going to create a detailed proposal for our research. I want us to split our proposal into parts, and then we write on parts by parts. We shall combine the document later into one big research proposal. Give me your best arrangement for this. Now, this is what we are going to follow to create the rest of the research proposal. We are going to be feeding the different parts into ChatGPT, and then we will combine everything into one document. Now, the following command into ChatGPT. Okay, now give me everything you have from the title to the introduction. Everything. Not just snippets of information. Make sure it is related to my problem. This will organize our title and the introduction, and as you can see, we have our title and introduction given to us in relation to our topic. This abstract is small. Let us make it more detailed using this command. Make this abstract one document large, make it more detailed, add the abstract to this, and click Enter. Now, our abstract has been made more detailed than it was to cover a full page. Let us copy these into a Word document. We shall then organize them later. Open a new Microsoft Word document and copy and paste the title. Also, paste the abstract and our introduction. These will be fine-tuned after we have generated all the parts of our research. You can organize them a little and give them a uniform font. This introduction is too small. Let us also make it more detailed. Paste the following command into ChatGPT. Make this introduction 2 pages, make it more detailed with more content, and don't forget to add the introduction to this command before you click Enter. As you can see, we are having our introduction detailed. This is better than the one-page content that was generated initially. Now we are going to copy this into the Word document and make it part of the rest of the content. After you have pasted it into our Word document, go back to ChatGPT and finalize with the literature review. Paste the following command into ChatGPT. Make the literature review a detailed 3-page document. Don't forget to add the literature review and then click Enter. If ChatGPT is giving you an error that the document is too long, please upload it using a technique I showed in one of my video titles, How to Upload Files into ChatGPT. Now, as you can see, this is our detailed literature review. It is now bulkier. Copy it into our Word document as well and save it. We are now going to proceed with the rest of the parts of the research proposal. Type the following command into ChatGPT. Now, let us proceed to Part 5 of the research objectives and questions. Here, the research objectives are going to be generated. As you can see, we have a number of our research objectives being generated. These are related to our research topic, as you can see. Now we are going to copy these into our Word document. As you can see, we are progressing normally through creating our research proposal. Proceed with the above command and ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed methodology. The methodology generated by ChatGPT is so shallow, we are going to render it into ChatGPT and ask it to make it detailed and comprehensive. Once the methodology is generated, we are going to copy it into our Word document. After that, we shall proceed to finalize with this. Type the following command into ChatGPT. Now complete our research proposal by giving full details on the following. Ethical considerations. Address any ethical concerns and approvals needed for the study, especially when dealing with human subjects. This is going to generate the rest of our research proposal, and as you can see, we now have everything needed for our research proposal. In case you see any part being shallow, you can copy that exact part into ChatGPT and ask it to make it more detailed. This should be your final document with everything in one. As you can see, we have a 16-page document with over 2,000 words. You can even make it to have more words than this using the mechanism I told you above of re-entering the details back into ChatGPT and ask it to make it more detailed. As you can see, we have our research proposal generated. The most important strategy is splitting your tasks into smaller chunks and keep feeding them into ChatGPT, then you join the results after. These results can now be edited and formatted. You can also add a table of contents. In the next video of this series, we shall see how to paraphrase this such that no AI detector can trace it. Also, we shall pass it through a plagiarism detector, and we see how we are faring on the scales, but trust me, this is already passing the plagiarism detectors. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to share with friends. Thanks, meet in the next video.